So this one, it's a regular weft. It's actually, we cut it, and you see the partial of it, we cut it. And the way it works, that's an original weft machine, okay? That's an original weft. You can see how thick it is here, if you come closer. See how thick it is? It's a weft machine, and it's long. So what people have to do, we have to sew this together. After we sew together, we have to put this on the head like this and sew it. All right, that's how it looks like. That's all traditional weft machine, okay? Now, you see all this together, you have to do a couple lines to get this done, like 1, 2 lines, to get this 100 gram. It actually has a more piece over there. I don't want to show you, it's like, that's long. You see, it's kind of very long. You see how long is it? Now, we came out with new technology. I'm gonna put it like a towel here. New technology, it's called, thank you, Maya. It's called feathers weft. So basically, it's all this length, all this thickness in this here. It's all here. So I do 1 row instead of me doing 3 rows. You see how fine it is? You don't feel anything. So we sew this above those beans like this one, and then you have a long hair. We bring it down. It's all long, very nice. 100 gram, you have a long hair. Under hour, you have a long hair. So now let's say you want more hair. So what we do is we can cut this, take this hair, add additional hair, cut this to half. It's gonna be 150 gram, I think it's more than enough. But if you want 200 gram, like 2 of this, you can do 1 row and 2 row. So now what's the beauty about it with this? Let's say next time you say, okay, Benny, what's the maintenance for it? So you come next time, what we do is, we cut the wire on top of it, like it said, it slowly went down, all right? So we take this down, and we take those beans, again, put it in like it's supposed to be down because the hair grows. Then we open them, do this line again, and so again, so it's very simple. You can reuse the same hair for at least 2-3 years, easy. You can use here 2-3 years. So basically reverse tapes or individual ones. Let me give you the tapes ones, the difference with the tapes. So you have the tapes. So the tapes, we know you have to glue it, but obviously after a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, you can see the tapes. And what you have to do is when you come back to take the tapes off, to take the tapes off, then have to take the glue off from your hair, then have to put new glue tape on it. It takes longer. With this maintenance, it's very low. With this maintenance, very low. It also comes with the beauty about it. It comes with the highlights already. So it's all highlighted. You don't have to use 3-4 different colors. And we have plenty of color, from blonde to dark, with highlight. We have all the colors. You see, majority of people have a highlights like this. So we put on the end, it like match the color 1, 2, 3. It's easy to do and recommended. So we have right now special for this, for 150 gram, $1,000 only. Full head extensions, 100% human hair, made beautiful from human hair, 100% human, single donor. So this hair can last up to 2-3 years if you obviously treat it right, not too much over process, not too much blow dry, not too much flat iron. That can last longer. Also, what we can do, we can treat this hair with a keratin or diamond Botox to extend the life of the hair, okay? So that's what the new techniques we have. It's called Weft. Nobody has this in the United States so far. We're the only one who have so far. Please come for more questions. We're gonna have this on our website, hairbynyc.com. You're gonna see this information soon there as well. Thank you very much. See you soon.